Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial, and this is TS Tech Talks video. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your account even though you forgot your password or your phone number or your email address also. So if you lost your password or your email address, this is how to recover your account back. But I'm not going to be showing you guys how to actually recover your account, but I'm going to be showing you guys what to do in order for you to be ready when you lost your account or your account get hacked. Because if you don't do this right now and your account get hacked or you lost your phone number or your email address, there is no way to get it back. So you need to do this to prevent your account being logged or hacked or being lost forever. So all you need to do is just swipe and open Facebook. So once your Facebook is open, go ahead and click on the menu on the top right hand corner over there. Now scroll down to settings and click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on settings again. Wait for it to load. Now we need to scroll to securities and login. Click on that and wait for that to load also, and then let's scroll down. You guys should note this video is just a prevention from your account being hacked. So now you can notice this option that says choose 3 to 5 friends to contact if you get blocked out. That means if your account get hacked or for any reason you are not able to log in. So go ahead and click on choose the 3 to 5 contact. Now I don't have up to 5 contacts. So if you don't have up to 5 contacts, that's okay. You can just select any people you want. I already selected 3 contacts right here. So I'm going to go ahead and edit it to select more contacts. So I'm going to select one more person to add up to the list. Now go ahead and click on edit. So click on edit again. So now all you need to do is to click on this icon so that you can search the name of the person. So I'm just going to go ahead and search the name of a friend that is very close to me. And guys, if you're adding this number, make sure you are able to reach these people or you know them in person, because the best thing to do is either to add your family member and your close friends. If they are not your family member or your close friend, there is no way you can reach them. If they are just your Facebook friend, you can only reach them through Facebook. You can't call them on phone. But if you have their cell phone number, well, that's okay. You can use that also. So I'm going to go ahead and type one more name. All right, there you go. Click on that. And you can say add more names too. Who else do I add? Oh, I don't know. Actually, okay, let me go ahead and end this video. So done. I've selected these contacts which I feel like they can always get to me. So once you're done, go ahead and click on done and wait for it to load. Once it finish loading, it's going to show up and it's going to show those contacts which you've added. And for some minutes, it might not load immediately. So you can just wait for a while and you see the contacts display for you. So that's how to add those trusted contacts. So whenever you lost out your account or for some reason, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on forget password and keep backing out anyway, so that it's going to save. Just ignore that it's displaying several times again. So once you've backed out, that's that. So if for some reason your account is locked, all you need to do is do this. Let me go ahead and show you guys what I mean. Let me log out of my account and I'll try to log in with a different password. So let me say this is my account, and then I put my email address, and then I say I give it a wrong password, and then I try to log in. So it's definitely going to tell me that the password is a wrong password, or I should enter the correct password. Now you can notice it looks like you've entered the previous password, which is actually right. So I'm going to say okay. Now all I need to do is to click on forget password. So once you click on forget password, all you need to do is to either put in your email again, and some error. Put in your email again and then say find password. Now you can notice it has option right here, right? So there is another option below that says you no longer have access to this. um I no longer have access to this feature. That's what you have to click. So when you click on it, it's going to navigate and show you options to select to open the application. So you can just open the application with your Chrome browser. This should actually show you where you can select more of this contact. But for some reason, this is showing this icon option because I'm actually logged in on this particular Chromebook account. So there is no hard feelings about that. And normally it should show different identities and it will ask me to select those identity. Then I'm going to select one of the people which I know, and after that they are going to send a code and to my friend and ask me to input the code. So all I needed to do was to select those code and then put it in the code that will be displayed right here. But for some reason it's not displaying right now because I'm logged in on that other Chrome browser also. So there is no way I can log in because I know all my details. All right, guys. So for some reason, if you're hacked or logged out, this is just how to do it, and this is the latest way to do it. 2019. So if you're having some challenges in doing this, just leave it on a comment below, and you can just send me a message on my Facebook account and I can help you to recover any account that's which you follow this process. If you did follow this process, it's going to be easy to do that. All right, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have some challenges, please leave it on a comment below, and if you have a question, also leave it on a comment below, and for some reason you want to request for a video, leave it on the comment below. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't done that, and smash that like button. Please don't miss out, and do share the video with your friends if you haven't done that already. And guys, very soon we are going to be clocking 3,000 subscribers, and I'm very sure in 2 weeks from now we'll clock that 3,000 subscribers, and it's all because of you. Whoa, thanks guys for everything. I really appreciate, and I'll be celebrating my 3K subscribers soon. All right, see you guys soon. Please don't miss out on any of my video. Watch out whenever I upload, and recently I've been uploading 2 days, which is actually Tuesdays and Fridays. Please don't miss out. All right, take care, peace, see you some other time.